I'm sure we all remember that hilarious kid from Toddlers and Tiaras, the kid whose gif is still so popular a decade later. That talented contortionist with the silly wine mom we all adored. Kailia Posey was going places. At just 16 years of age, she already had offers to become a professional contortionist and performer. Unfortunately, for unknown reasons, that girl allegedly took her own life at just age 16. While the world mourns this talent, we waited for information on what happened. Since getting news of this passing, I thought perhaps someone she rejected did this to her. After I heard it was self-inflicted, I thought perhaps I thought too much of it. Until today. The news today says, Kailia died by hanging but was found inside her car. This doesn't make sense. Furthermore, law enforcement refuses to specify how this allegedly took place. This could be to respect her family, or it could be to put this investigation in a neat box with a ribbon. It's possible she did do this to herself. But how did she then get into her car? I'm perplexed how someone could hang themselves in their car. They said they saw ligature marks, but were the ligatures attached when she was supposedly found? Riddle me this. How does a dead body both get into a car and untie their ligatures? We for years have spoken of the dangers of putting children in these beauty pageants, so why are we so quick to accept this was done by Kailia herself? Out of respect. I respect her enough to want answers. I found this article as follows while editing, link will be in description box. The police also stated that autopsy and toxicology results of Kailia Posey's death will not be available to the public out of respect for her family's privacy. But the details also point out that the child TV star died from asphyxia due to ligature strangulation, meaning the force with which Kailia was strangled is different to the force that strangles a person when they hang themselves with their own body. Wait. She died with a constricting band tightened around her neck with an external force other than her own body weight. This opens a large number of possibilities, meaning there is more information to this investigation that the public is not being told. From that article, my gut instinct was right. I don't think she did this. Maybe she did. But I don't believe it.